Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with a different sort of video today. I'm going to do my updated hair care routine. I've gotten quite a few requests over the last few months, but I had to be, I was doing my makeup videos. So this is just a segue from my usual makeup video today, just to focus on doing this hair video for those of you who would like to see it. Okay. So to start off with, I have permed hair. And I have changed a few things in my routine compared to the last time I did a hair care video. I know a lot of you actually wanted me to actually do a demo of me like washing my hair, whatever, and I don't think I can pull off all those shenanigans. So I'm just gonna sit down and I'm just gonna talk about the products that I use and how I use them. As a disclaimer, everything I use maybe would not work with somebody else's hair. Everybody has different experiences. Everybody's hair is different. I do believe though, because I do get a lot of questions because I'm a person of color and I have long hair, about hair growth and stuff like that. I feel like people of color can grow long hair. Of course, part of it I think is genetics, but I think obviously Black people can grow very long hair because you see it all the time. All right, so ever since this whole corona thing and after I got sick and whatever, my skin got so dry, my hair got dry, so I'm experiencing very dry hair. So I incorporated coconut oil into my hair care routine. Now, coconut oil, I've seen so many mixed reviews on coconut oil. A lot of people don't like it. Like my niece, she doesn't really like coconut oil. A lot of people love it. My hair loves this. And this is the organic coconut oil. I picked this up from TJ Maxx. And this is, it's hard. And how I use it though, I use it like before my washing or before I perm my hair. Another thing too, I do my hair myself. I stopped going to the hair salon 3 years ago. All right, so like if I know I'm gonna wash my hair, which another thing too, I know a lot of people wash their hair every 2 weeks. I don't. I wash my hair every 4 weeks. Reason being, I hate manipulating my hair. I sort of have a love-hate relationship with my hair. And so wash day and stuff, it's very stressful for me because especially with permed hair, once my hair gets wet, it gets very, very, very tangled. So I hate manipulating my hair. So there's no way I'm washing my hair every 2 weeks. And I think my hair is used to that because I've done this for years and years and years. So to me, it doesn't really smell. At least I don't really smell it. It doesn't feel like dirty or anything like that. I think it's just used to me washing it every 4 weeks. So before I wash it, like the night before I wash my hair, I will just coat my hair with the coconut oil and just let it sit overnight with a plastic cap on. And I love the way it moisturizes my strands. And like I said before, my hair loves this. And then the next day, I'll wash it out. I'll put it in the roots and everything. Now, if I'm gonna perm my hair the next day, I don't put it in the roots. I'll just put it on the ends because I still want that moisture. And also I think sometimes, when you perm your hair, sometimes perm, it'll drop, it'll fall on, your actual hair. Because when you perm your hair, you're only supposed to be perming the new growth. And I think it acts as a shield because it's oil. So that's how I like to use this organic coconut oil. Now, as far as when I'm going to wash my hair, as far as shampoo goes, I was using the TGIN shampoo. It was a very good shampoo. In my opinion, I still like it because it didn't have a lot of sulfates and stuff. But my hair was just, I don't know. My hair was just still dry after I used that. And so I discovered this Pantene True Relaxed Hair. And guys, this is like my new bestie, and I hope it's going to be for a long time because I thought I wouldn't, stop using that TGIM. But this is so good, and this is specifically made for relaxed hair, and it just moisturizes your hair, and it has coconut and jojoba oil, and this really is, when they say moisturizing, this is super, super moisturizing. As soon as it hits my hair and I start washing my hair just feels very soft and conditioned. And I love that because like I said, I hate manipulating my hair. And my goal every time I do my hair or whatever is not to have too much breakage or fallout. That's my goal. So I need anything that's going to soften my hair and keep my hair manageable because like I said, I get very tangled once my hair is wet. You can, I see all the other Pantenes at my CVS and at my Walgreens, but in the last couple months I haven't been able to find this one, so I had to purchase this off of Amazon. I hope they start restocking. So I shampoo with that. Once I finish shampooing, like I said before, how tangled my hair gets. So the most important thing for me is to find a very good deep condition, not only to help my hair and keep it healthy, but to reduce breaking and shedding, and for me to just be able to comb my hair out with as little fallout as possible and make my life easier. And I haven't found anything else that has topped this, and this is the macadamia, the deep repair mask. This is my holy grail. When Sally's was open, Sally's Beauty Supply, I would purchase it from Sally's. Sally's has been closed in my area, so I have been purchasing this off of Amazon, and I'm very liberal with this. I lather my hair with this stuff. It smells amazing, and it's kind of pricey. It's with taxes, it's close to like $30, sometimes like $28, $29 is what it looks like. It smells so good. Ugh. But this stuff does everything that I would like, and I'm not ready to change it. It makes combing out my hair so easy, because once I put this in, I would put a plastic cap on, and I'll go under the dryer for 45 minutes. Once I get back under the water, because I have to go under the shower, I can't throw my hair over the sink. So I stand under the shower and I comb my hair out, and I use this white tooth comb to comb my hair out. I use it even when my hair is dry. This is like the comb I use. And when I comb my hair out under the water, it just comes through. There is going to be some, I do get hair coming out here and there, whatever, but it's not like a whole lot of hair for me to be concerned. So this is my holy grail. I would recommend this to anybody, whether you have permed hair, natural hair, whatever hair you have. I would definitely recommend this. And it also does wonders for the health of your hair. Now, once my hair is dried, now ever since, like I said, I was sick and whatever, I got some breakage in the back. So I started back using my rice water. I still have some left over from when I washed my hair. And so I would use my rice water, and you can always like YouTube how to make your rice water, but how I make my rice water, because I've seen so many ways to make rice water, but what I do, I get organic rice, I wash it out, and I strain that water, and then I put like maybe a cup of water in there with like a cup of rice or something like that. Like I try to make it even, and I let it sit for 24 hours or more. The longest I've let it sit is 48 hours. And then I'll strain it, put it in this bottle, and I use it. And for me, I've said it in videos before, rice water really does help your hair to grow. Contains a lot of protein, and you would think rice water starch, it's a lot of protein. So there's been some controversy though, because too much protein can damage your hair as well. But I use it, I've been using it now mostly in the back of my hair, where I've seen a little damage and a little breakage from after I was sick. After I put the rice water in, I'll leave it in. I used to leave it in like overnight and long, like hours, but now I don't anymore. I don't think that's necessary. To me, it does what it's supposed to do in like a couple hours. So the most I'll leave it in now is like an hour. I'll wash it out. Once I wash it out, I love to have, before I blow dry or roller set my hair, I love to have a leave-in conditioner. I was using the chai, and I don't know, I guess my hair got used to it. I was over it. I stopped liking it. I stopped liking what it was doing to my hair. I think my hair being dry and stuff changed a lot of stuff. So I did my research, and I came up with this miracle leave-in keratin. It's a 10. And in my book, it is a 10. This is really, really good. I don't know if it's the one I got, because it came in a twin pack. I got this off of Amazon. The spray is so stiff, and it comes out like white. It doesn't have the best smell. It smells very like chemical, but I love the way it makes my hair feel. I think it helps when I blow out my hair, or if I roller set my hair, as far as hair coming out or any breakage or damage. So lately I've been roller setting my hair. I've been trying to avoid heat. So I've been using like a roller this size. I know there's a bigger size. I have to purchase the bigger size because it takes a while when I roller set my hair for it to dry. This time when I washed my hair, I didn't though. I blow dried my hair because I wanted it straight. Because once I do the curls, I'll just braid it after. So that's why in the last few videos my hair looked curly. So I'll just blow it out with that. And once my hair is blown out, I like to go over it with a flat iron and just straighten it out. And this is the flat iron I use. The name came up. I've had this for years. It says, oh, I can see the name. It's the Gold Hot Ceramics. And this is what I'll use. And I'll just do little sections. I'll just straighten my hair. I don't go over one section more than once. Like I said, I don't like a lot of heat in my hair. After I use the hot iron on my hair, after I wash it, I never use it again. It doesn't matter if my hair gets frizzy, whatever, just one and done. And after I'm done straightening my hair, I'm ready to, you know, put like a hair cream in it or whatever. I love the Razak, but like I said, my hair has been very dry, and I want something that I can use every day, because before with Razak, when I put in this, like after I wash my hair or perm my hair, I wouldn't use it again until maybe the next time I wash or perm my hair, because my scalp was very oily. That has changed. It's become very dry. So I wanted something that I can use every day, just, you know, to moisturize my hair and keep it hydrated. So I went in with the same, I'm using the same Pantene family, and this is for relaxed hair, and this is a daily moisturizer. It's the it deeply moisturizes and shines, and it's an oil cream moisturizer, and this also contains coconut and jojoba oil. And guys, I really love this. I have it in my hair today, and I use this now as a daily moisturizer. I don't remember in my life using a moisturizer every day, but this is so light. It doesn't weigh my hair down. It doesn't look oily or greasy, but I know my hair is hydrated, so I love this. If you have permed hair and you have dryness like me, or you're just looking for an everyday moisturizer, definitely try this. This I also had to purchase off of Amazon because I couldn't find it in my local drugstore or Walgreens like I usually do. It just flew off the shelf. So that's my hair care routine, and I'm speaking for myself. I don't like to use a lot of products. Like I've looked at a few videos, you know, of people's hair care routine, and it's like 20 things. Like I don't feel like I need all of that for my hair, like putting a whole bunch of stuff in my hair. Like I said, I hate manipulating my hair. I'm never going to be washing my hair every week and every 2 weeks. I don't care. And that's just me. And personally in my life, I don't have the time for that, because when I wash my hair, it's an all day thing because I have to take my time. So yeah, once a month, and I don't like manipulating my hair at all. If I had a choice, if I can go back, I would have never permed my hair. I think it just weakens your hair. And I permed my hair way back when I was in my early teens. So since I'm stuck with my perm, because I tried to transition, didn't work. I didn't want to do the big chop. I wasn't comfortable with the big chop. I couldn't handle the two textures. I kind of went back to perming. But I think if you take care of your permed hair, you can have healthy hair. I mean, forget the length of the hair. The most important thing is your hair being healthy. And I would recommend, if you've never tried it, trying rice water for growth and overall health. And it also helps with like breakage or any damage. All right, guys. So I hope, you know, you get the gist of, you know, what I put in my hair, how I use my products, why I use these products. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comment section. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. I hope you'll stay. And if you've come back to my channel, thank you so much. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.